This is the LMR SDR 1.1 PCB which I bought from View3 Zulu Oscar Foxtrot. Along with it, 5 integrated circuits have been bought. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have been just placed there. I'll have to remove them, fix the bases and then use them. Otherwise, if I solder them, there is every chance that they can be damaged. Moreover, if I want to change them later, then it will be difficult also. So these are the 5 ICs which have come with this LMR SDR board. There's another important component on the reverse side, so tiny it's very difficult to see. That is the clock IC SI5351. I have zoomed it so that you can see the IC better. You can see it here, and you can see that it is a 10-pin IC. It will not be possible for me to solder it. That's a surface mount device. That's why I got it soldered. Another option what he mentioned is that if I buy it otherwise, I could get it soldered from mobile phone repair shops. That seems to be a good option for SMD components. I am shining light from my mobile phone so that the markings on the tiny integrated circuit can be read. Here's a photograph in macro mode enlarged view of SI5351 clock generator IC. That generates the base frequency which is used to generate other frequencies in the circuit.